come again tomorrow.
Second day, same outfit, because why not? And it's still so cold outside, so I'm still gonna stay the same sweatpants and sweatshirt and hoodie and just have a day of chilling out just like yesterday. Today is also hair wash day, so I want to make sure that I put some hydration into my hair, and I'm gonna use this oil to apply on my ends and then put it up in a bun and leave it for the entire day before I wash my hair.
There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night.
I'm currently making some breakfast, but I just wanted to show you my assistant. Hey! Hey! You my assistant?
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight.
I'm gonna make the same salad that I did yesterday because I'm not super hungry, so I'm gonna use the leftover lettuce, some feta cheese, and pepper, some spring onion, and one tomato that I have left, and some cucumber that I forgot to take out of the fridge, and that's it. It's just some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna enjoy that. And then, let me turn the camera around, which I'm not sure if it's actually that better of an appearance because of how I look, but we move because it's a reset day. I'm also gonna apply a face mask after I eat, and I am going to attempt to edit a vlog. Yes, I would like to edit a vlog because I haven't edited anything since February. I do have some footage from that time, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it anymore or if I'm just gonna edit the one that I did yesterday. But it is a very big step for me because every time I want to edit, I feel like I'm gonna fail, so I stop editing and I don't touch the computer. And then I end up regretting the fact that I didn't do it and I feel guilty. And it's this ongoing cycle that stops me from doing it. So today I'm going to attempt to do it. And because I said it now, I feel like I have to do it. So hopefully you'll see a footage of me later editing. And who knows, maybe I'll upload something as well.
Only just for a bit. There's a new day.
So this is my salad, super simple, super filling as well. And now I am going to watch some YouTube and play some teamfight tactics. I love playing this game. And now I'm gonna enjoy my food and chill and then edit. Someone please tell me, where is the summer? As in, it's June 6th when I'm filming this. And this is my garden. And this is the temperature inside the house. And there is a sun cream here because there were like 21 degrees and super sunny on Sunday. So we got outside and tanned. But look at the sky now, it's like proper gray. And again, there's 18 degrees in the house, which is not cold. As in, it is very cold, but like during the winter, we keep the house at 21 degrees. And now it's summer and there's only 18. And there's like 14 degrees outside as well. So I have to go and get some socks and get my robe because I am actually freezing my ass off in here. So I'm gonna go do that. I've had my lunch. I'm almost finished with my game. And then I'm gonna install my equipment here, as in my laptop and my mouse, and start editing. I keep on repeating it because it makes it real. And now I'm ready for a beautiful summer day in the UK.
Leave behind your troubles.
I've edited 2 videos actually, and I've cleaned out my boyfriend's laptop because I'm using his laptop because I only have my work one, and I feel so good. I honestly, I haven't done something productive in a few weeks, I would say, and it feels really good to do it now. And I've cleaned up some files on my phone, and I'm gonna clean up all of my emails, and I'm gonna do some Notion work and rework my templates, and I feel truly amazing. I just went outside to check on my veggies, and it's so cold. It is unbelievably cold for June. Like, what the hell? But it's fine. I am warmish. I'm just gonna do some more work on the computer, just take breaks in between. I've made myself a cup of tea. I've drunk it. I think I'm gonna make another one. And I planned on going outside, but it's just too cold. And tomorrow it's supposed to be like 20 degrees, so hopefully I can go out tomorrow. I don't know if I should make my workout, if I should do my workout today, because if you've seen my last vlog, I've tried and I've had some sort of a knee pain for some reason, for some jumping jacks. And it still hurts a little bit. So I'm thinking I should give it another day to rest so that I can start fresh without any pain and not just overwork my body. But I still want to do something, so I think I might do like a light upper body workout so that it doesn't involve my knees. I'll see. It will or warm me up as well, so that would be nice. And I think so far that's gonna be it. That's the plan for today. I'm just gonna plan my life a little bit because I am in this mood and it feels so good. It feels amazing. It is so good to be a little bit more productive and enjoy the work that I'm doing. So I'm gonna focus on that while I still have my energy levels up. And then we'll chat maybe, or we won't. We'll see. We'll see where this day takes us. I crashed again, and now I have this urge to like take a nap, so I'm gonna take a nap. It's still quite cold, so I still have my hoodie, my robe on, but this is the reality of my days. I feel super good, and then the next minute, I'm just tired, so I'm gonna listen to my body and take a quick nap.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got
Now I'm gonna read my book, have a bath, and relax because today has been about listening to my body, and right now it needs rest and Epsom salt and a candle and a good book, and that's it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna leave the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. And this is your reminder to have a bath, do something that means self-care to you.
holding